Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic today chosen is from Chapter 1, Units and Measurement. This is from 11th standard. And today is not problem solving session, is problem questionnaire session. That is 7 questions will be given and it will be floated in the YouTube in a particular session. And next session, solution of this problem will be solved. Let's move to question number 1. The unit of thermal conductivity is dash. A, J m power minus 1 K power minus 1. B, W m K power minus 1. C, W m power minus 1 K power minus 1. D, J m K power minus 1. So here you should know the idea about the thermal conductivity. What is thermal conductivity? And then by knowing the definition, you will know the formula for thermal conductivity. By knowing the formula, you can find the unit. And here, SI unit of thermal conductivity only you should find. Let's move to question number 2. The value of Planck's constant in SI unit is dash. A, 6.63 into 10 power minus 31 Js. B, 6.63 into 10 power minus 30 Js. C, 6.63 into 10 power minus 32 Js. D, 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 Js. It's just you want to write the value of the Planck's constant H value but in SI unit. Okay. Let's move to question number 3. In a particular system, the unit of length, mass and time are chosen to be 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second. The unit of force in this system will be equivalent to dash. A, 0.1 N, that is Newton. B, 1 Newton. C, 10 Newton. D, 100 Newton. That is some different unit is given. That is in 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second. You should convert that system of unit to SI unit. Next question. Problem number 4. A screw gauge has least count of 0.01 millimeter and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. The pitch of the screw gauge is dash. A, 0.25 millimeter. B, 0.5 millimeter. C, 1.0 millimeter. D, 0.01 millimeter. So here you should know the least count and you should know the formula for pitch of the pitch scale of the screw gauge. By knowing the idea, we can find the pitch of the screw gauge. Let's move to question number 5. If the error in the measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%, then the error in the determination of volume of the sphere will be dash. A, 4%. B, 6%. C, 8%. D, 2%. So here what you want to find? You want to find the error in determination of volume of the sphere. So you should know the formula for volume of the sphere in terms of radius and you should know how to convert that into in the term of percentage of error. Okay. Let's move to question number 6. If force F, velocity V and time T are taken as fundamental units, then the dimension of mass are dash. A, F V T power minus 1. B, F V T power minus 2. C, F V power minus 1 T power minus 1. D, F V power minus 1 T. That is, you want to find the dimension of mass in terms of F force, V velocity and time T. Let's move to last question, question number 7. Which of the following will have the dimensions of time? A, L into C. B, R by L. C, L by R. D, C by L. What is this L, C, R? L is the inductance, C is the capacitance, R is the resistance. And these things we have to express in terms of time and here dimension of time. Which combination will give dimension of time? You should find out. So by knowing the dimension formula for L, C, R, you are able to find the answer or solution for this question. Next session, we will solve the solution of this problem. Before that, try to work out this problem and be ready. Thank you.